Afternoon, Philippine Airlines flight PR658 bound for Dubai. This is not your boarding call. We will start boarding in a few minutes. You may want to use this time to gather some photos and prepare yourself for boarding. Please be reminded of Philippine Airlines boarding procedures. As a boarding courtesy, we shall first mark passengers who require extra time in preparation for boarding. This will be followed by passengers traveling with infants, small children, and elderly passengers. Please take note of your roll number, assignment printed at the lower right-hand portion of your boarding pass. Meanwhile, passengers of business class, Premier Economy, as well as Million Miler, Premier Elite, and Elite card holders of the boarding class may board the aircraft at their own convenience. Just a reminder of boarding, please have your boarding pass and passport ready for presentation at the gate and for the inspection or topic upon boarding the aircraft. Once again, we are not yet boarding and remain seated with our area of gate number 5 and wait for your flight boarding call. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, we thank you for flying with us and we wish you pleasant flights to the Philippines. Here reaching the following passengers on flight PR658 bound for Dubai, and that passenger Calapati Mabuhay, passenger Calapati Mabuhay, passenger Kabukon Laika, Miss Laika Kabukon, passenger Kumaki Noel, Mr. Noel Kumaki, passenger Kalaki Analisa, Miss Analisa Kalaki, passenger Lorenzo Miss Mary Jane Lorenzo, passenger Mr. Ernest Matalion, passenger Omato Elsie, Miss Elsie Omato, and passenger Gomon Charming Mia, Miss Charming Mia Gomon, if you are around, kindly approach the ground staff here at gate number 5. Thank you. We're calling the attention of the following passengers traveling on Philippine Airlines flight PR6 Singapore bound for Doha. That's passenger Sampang Kasim, Mrs. Sampang Kasim, passenger Sampang Kasim, Ms. Sampang Kasim, passenger Sampang Yasmin, Ms. Sampang Yasmin, passenger Ibrahim Ruz, Ms. Ibrahim Rumi, passenger Gimpatina Emily, Ms. Gimpatina Emily, passenger Carolina Yunus, Ms. Carolina Yunus, passenger Lorenzo Lordel, Mr. Lorenzo Lordel, passenger Okama Divine, Ms. Okama Divine, passenger Ismoto Juliet, Ms. Ismoto Juliet, and passenger Amonda Percy, Amonda Percy. If you are out there, you can send it to your officer, please don't
Kapoy or mingaw? Kapoy, wala tulog. Halin kagabi, wala tulog. Kaya ang flight sa Jensen to Manila, delay for 4 hours. Dapat ang flight ko is 8. Naka-flight ako sang 11. Nag-abot sa Manila alas 2. Hindi na ako mag-uli. Apoy.